Worse than the band. Is that a discounted chicken? We get it home and she starts making the chicken. It tastes like bananas. I don't know. No, she gets that beer. She spends her. I don't want to get into it. The whole entire part of it. Advertise something. It's turkey bacon. Here we go. $3.98. Buy some turkey bacon. Nah, she pays for the chicken. Boy, they're making something here. Yeah, this is usually the night we go. Is when they're loading. I did Walmart for one night doing loading basically what they call stocking. Yeah. Hey, old Jackson. Old Jackson time. Old Jackson time.
Are those the cameras? Are they covered?
I don't know. I'm making a smiley face. We get hit by this thing right here and go Chauncey style. Chauncey Gardner. Just go with the Keystone. It's not that watered down. You don't need the Bud Ice crystals. Just go with the Keystone. They ran out of their beer.
Be quiet.
Just go for the Keystone. It's watered down. I don't drink myself. I'm just.
Cut it out.
Okay.
Alright, what is so important about policy? Please take your change.
Now I'll be up editing.
I got my purse.
About an hour.
All right. Well, that's good because it's super moist outside.
Super what?
Moist.
You know, some people hate that word.
I'm sorry. Well, that's kind of why I'm saying it too.
Yeah.
Thank you, and I'm.
The wind's been so strong, it's been opening doors. This door was just open earlier. This door just flew open. That's actually supposed to be locked for the night. And that door just flew open. I don't know how it did it. Probably because of the wind going underneath the door and flipping that door. You see that door open?
No.
That door right there. Look, there it goes. There it goes. And that they probably have sensor alarms.
Wow, somebody did
Yeah.
their job. I thought
They
maybe
didn't
there was
lock
an
it up.
AC before.
Yeah, it's just it's just machines and stuff in there. They got like a pool and stuff in there.
How big is this? Or is it an office?
No, it's called LA Fitness.
Oh, LA.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thought it was a rat. Just a piece of paper.
leftovers and then the werewolf. You've been waiting for us lately. Usually you're on the recliner. Would you like to scratch? Where are you? It's dark. Ooh. Oh, hi there. Hi, baby. Ow. I think I was pulling out your tooth.
She's doing the thing again.
Hi. I missed you.
Do you want some more wet food? You ate a lot of your dry food.
Did he? I didn't
Yeah.
really get a good look. You filled up again or was that from yesterday? Ask me a question.
Yeah.
So you filled up today or was that the one you filled up yesterday?
Today, yeah, I did today. All right, so we're waiting, and we're going to talk about the next scene, which is going to be Cole's Goodbye Sharon.